Hi everyone, I'm currently in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is one of the famous cities in China. It's a first-tier city, like Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou. It's pretty hot. The typhoon left here already, so the sky is very blue. The air quality is pretty superb. This city is famous for its skyscrapers, you can say. There's a lot of high rises. A lot of drones are being produced here. It's the largest drone producer in the world, this city. Wow, the sky is crystal blue today. So beautiful. The typhoon has washed away the pollutants, the dirty air, and the dust. So that is why. And just follow my camera, actually follow my cell phone. Okay guys, I've told you, if I'm monetized by YouTube one day, I'm going to update my digital equipment. I want to eat my word. So which means it needs your help, your action. Please give me a like. Your like matters a lot. And then more people can find me, can find my videos. There's a fountain. Beautiful. Thank you very much for your help. I'm showing you the authentic China without modifications, without any propaganda, without any disinformation. My video doesn't lie. It tells you the truth. So I'm not being supported by any organizations. I'm myself here. My aim is to be monetized by YouTube according to its regulations and rules. I don't want to enter any illegal shortcuts. So I try my best to present the best videos here. Wow, look at that tower. Oh my God, that tower is being constructed. It's not finished yet. It's outstanding. So tall. This tower is tall too. It's towering. Very tall. So this city is a high-tech city. It neighbors Hong Kong. I went to Hong Kong. I stayed there for one day. So now I'm here. Oh my God. Every tower is tall. It's a modern city. It only has 40 years history, 4 decades. It used to be a fish village here 40 years ago. You can imagine, guys. Unbelievable. Extraordinary. There's a subway, so it's easy to transport in the downtown of each city in China. The subway can reach you, can take you everywhere. It's easy to go and easy to come back. Look ahead. Amazing. It's really brilliant. The janitor is working, the janitor. She's working so hard. So that is why most of the roads are immaculate here. Spotless. I don't mean nobody litters here. A lot of people litter. But the janitor, when they see it, they just remove it. So the janitor is working every day here in China. The Chinese flag. Let's move ahead. Let's see more. Yeah, I'm really fascinated by this. This is my first time to walk on this road. My first time. We can see the little hill behind the towers. So this city is different from Shanghai. Shanghai is thoroughly flat without any mountains. But here, this city is surrounded by the beautiful mountains. It's like Hong Kong. Pretty cool. Look at this tower. Wow, I have to raise my head and I can see the top of the tower. Every tower is towering. Very modern. That tower is tall too. I don't know whether I'm in the downtown of this city or not, but actually, it's very prosperous, very incredible. Look at the traffic flow. It's pretty modern. It's unbelievable. Let's walk to that intersection and then we can end this video. I don't want to keep it too long. It's down. Within around 10 minutes, that's okay. Look at that intersection. Let's check how the traffic works here. The crossing. Look at that tower. Incredible. A lot of e-bike riders. So modern. Maybe this is the future of the world. Let's look at the cars. We can see the mountain over there in that direction too. That direction is Hong Kong. Hong Kong is in that direction, I think. Let's check the traffic flow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are into this video, please give me a like. Your like matters so much, just like a bottle of water in the parched desert. I'm so appreciated. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye everyone. Ciao ciao.